Hello everyone, yes, Derek Demerville. So this is my final project. So my project mainly is to visualize the flooded areas in two councils of Yaoundé, that is the council of Yaoundé 5 and Yaoundé 7. So Yaoundé is the capital of Cameroon. So Cameroon is a beautiful country in Central African Republic that you should definitely visit if you ever want to visit Africa. So basically, we have three layers in our project. The layer in blue, it is the flooded areas that we derive from flood modeling. So basically using DEM, infiltration, and rainfall to generate this layer. The layer in yellow is still another flooded area, but this time that we got from a participatory mapping approach where we went on the field and together with the population, we worked around the frequently flooded areas and we recorded that on a paper map and we went back to the office, digitized and added the attribute information. The POIs are basically economic, social, education, all activities that we could find on the field. So we also mapped that. The POIs and the participatory flood layer here in our project are served using GeoJSON. So it is mostly drawn on the client side. The blue layer, that is the model layer, is served using TimeMill and hosted in our pass. We chose to host this through to produce this through TimeMill because the basically the information, the attribute information that is contained in this layer is not really useful for this project. So two tools that we decided to explore in this project is mostly the filtering, those filter through the flood areas and the points of interest, and also we the charts. So we use chart GS, that is a GS library for data visualization to visualize our data. So the top graph shows general statistics on the POI, and the bottom graph shows general statistics on the POI. That's the flooded proportion. So if you click on a layer, if you click on a layer, the leaflet will zoom to the layer, and we use TurfGS to do the intersection between the flooded area and the POIs, and automatically the graph is updated here, and we can see the statistics of the proportion of flooded POIs. If you click on the next, we get this information updated again, and we get this tooltip or this pop-up that you can move on one side if you want, and you get the information relative to this area. We can have uh, water levels, water speeds, and stagnation time, the damages generally recorded in the area, and the comments of the population down there. You can also decide to filter an area with the drop down menu, and then you go back to this area. You can click, you get the statistics updated. You see that in this area, economic activities are the most affected, and you can also decide to filter through this area, and you can see actually how many economic activities we have. 12,972 economic activities total in our project, and in this area we have 20 economic activities that are being affected. We can decide to change the base map if we want to visualize it better. We can choose SW satellite imagery, and we can see that in this area it is highly dense population area. And we can see that here at the level of this junction, when the area is flooded, all this road is blocked, so cars cannot move, population cannot move, and these economic activities are highly affected. So the population is highly affected. The travel time also maybe to different workplaces are also highly affected. Maybe rescue also cannot move and everything. So basically, how I see this map useful is mostly to the council or to a GIS specialist at the council who maybe wants to visualize information or on the council about floods and plan activities. If also you need more information on the project, you can click on this info icon and you get this information. Right now, this is just a copy paste from internet, but you can update. It still should be updated. So we can close this, and if you want to come back to your original view, just click this button and you come back to your original view. And if you click out of the map, you get your data set back, and you can set all these parameters back, and you can close this. So I think I went through all the functionalities of my map. So thank you for watching.